Hi ladies. I haven't done a video for a while and kind of been on and offline, but not doing very much creative stuff lately. But I checked out a YouTube video this morning, and one of our creative sisters is having a difficult time in her life. It's 66 MS Claudia, and she recently lost her husband, and she's now a single mom of 6 kids, and she is selling all her scrapbook stuff. So she is in need of financial help, and I'm petitioning all you ladies who I know you have spare funds, because you can buy your craft stuff just like I do. Yes, Nikita, you just give me a minute. And I know if something like that happened to me or any one of you out there, you might be in the same situation and could use some help. And so why can't we help her? Let's contact her, and if all you got is $5 to give her, let's give her $5. Help her out whatever way you can. If you want to something in return, she is selling her craft stuff. I'm not doing that. I'm trying to get her to give me her PayPal information so I can send her money. But let's show her support. Let's help her get through this and help her to know that she's loved and cared about, and that God loves her and cares for her. And the way that God takes care of people is through other people. So let's help her out. This is my video to petition your help to help her. And anyway, her YouTube name is 66 MS Claudia. I will put it on the screen after this video saves so that it's printed there. But anyway, help her out whatever way you can. Keep her in your prayers. But what she needs right now, obviously, is financial help. She is selling all her craft stuff. So let's help her out, ladies. Okay, bye.